Welcome back to Dumroese Nation, you guys. So, this and this. Cancer? Who knows? Actually, I went in yesterday morning, had them 2 little moles removed. This one was getting pretty big. This one kind of color, and every time I shaved. Yeah, that was fun. So, had them removed. We'll see. They're healing up pretty good. But, take a look at this. If you know what a chukar is, Sarah's made a new friend. Be right back.
Girls, what'd you find?
I found it first. He's called Topper.
His name is Topper.
That's so.
Oh, so right.
Topper.
What kind of bird is it?
Chukar.
Chukar. Is he pretty friendly? What's the story about this guy?
So those people got like 12 of them to train their dog. One of them got away and it was Topper.
To train their dog to kill it?
Sarah, don't put it to hunt over.
Well, yeah, so they're gonna kill it? Well, I can see why he escaped. Don't give it back. Oh my gosh. Oh, you wanted to give it back?
No, I want to eat it.
Oh my, no. Fly.
It's a game bird.
Fly away, buddy. Fly away. Yeah, pretty birdie. Pretty bird. Oh, you're fast. You're fast, aren't ya? Yeah, Sarah, you like them alive, don't ya? What about you, Jules? What do you think? Sarah, Julia. Alive.
Alive.
You know your daughter wants to shoot a bird this year.
Could you just... Have you ever heard of Beyond Meat?
Beyond meat? Yeah. There you go. Sarah's new friend. And now, Sarah's swinging with her friend.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? You say muy bien.
Muy bien. ¿Y tú?
Muy bien.
So now,
Okay. You remember that Wobbly, right?
yeah, Julia is going to a sculpture park with Girl Scouts.
Daddy,
Matt is at a friend's playing.
it's
Hold on.
happening.
Matt is at a friend's playing airsoft, and this is just the leaves from that, and there's still all that has to come down, and
Will you help
all
me
that
rake?
has to come down. I'm
Will you
not
help me
raking. I blew this into a pile for you.
Then will you help me believe it?
No, you got a rake right there.
No, I don't want to rake.
Oh, you just missed it. You okay?
Yep.
You sure?
Oh my god.
Oh,
You want to go jump on the tramp now?
are you gonna go jump on the tramp? Okay.
I don't know how to tramp it.
All right, I'm
I
gonna.
never want to go on
Not
it.
sure. We're gonna wait and see.
'Cause it's
I think
got
we're
a
supposed to play
back.
volleyball when Lynn gets home. We'll be back.
Yeah, and
We are at the pumpkin place, and yes, I did have 2 moles removed. But anyway, we're waiting for some people. In the meantime, there's
I have 1 quarter left. I might need another.
Yeah, okay. That's fine. Wait, I want to see you feed... Sarah, will you feed... Jules, will you feed this one here?
I'll have it.
Oh, here. Feed some of mine. Here. I don't know. Maybe he won't come out. Feed some of the animals.
They're cute.
Jules, will you feed? Or no, you don't want to?
I cannot look at goats the same now.
What?
Why?
Oh, I'll tell you.
What happened?
I know, those guys aren't eating.
He ate one.
Oh, here, these guys are, honey, these sheep are right up against the fence. Let's go find them. No, we didn't eat any. Gross. Huh. Sarah, honey, come here. I know, but because it's outdoors, so I think it's okay for outdoors. But here, look at he wants your corn. Oh yeah, he's hungry. Look at, he's a big guy.
He's
Matt, get in there. You're still a kid.
Here, I want to feed him.
Kid that's all that's actually go get a job.
Here, come on.
What's that the... make you feel good.
How old do you have?
Em, you want to feed him?
14.
Wait.
Legally get a job now.
Oh.
Here. Did he eat it all?
Emmy, why don't you try it? Are you kidding me, Ellen?
You don't want to feed the animals?
All right, wait, girl, smile at me.
Elephants, but
1, 2, 3.
Like you're afraid to feed this, but you'll feed like the biggest giant animal in the world.
Where'd Sarah go? Oh, she's totally on her own. Okay, what did you do? What? Did you feed the goats? Do we need to get some more food?
No.
Yeah. Hey, Matt, will you go feed that sheep up there? We'll go. You're a little creeped out about that.
Mom, I'm using all my tokens for the corn and then putting. Mom, look.
I know.
I'm using. No, look.
Yeah, what?
I'm using all my. Mom, wait.
I am listening.
So I'm using all my tokens for the corn, putting it in my pockets, and grabbing little bits. Can I get more corn?
On our way out, honey. We'll do that on our way out.
No, like I need more to put in my pocket.
Not right this second. Oh, Matt, what did you find?
What?
Oh, how's your hand feel after him?
Hi, Gal. No, that's not a goat. That's a
Yeah. Oh, Sarah, feed him. Here, give me a little corn. Give me a little corn.
He's gonna snarl.
Give me just a little corn. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Oh.
He's gonna snarl.
Oh my goodness, so slobbery. Oh.
Can I pet you? You're cute.
All right, should we go mine?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's a money thing. All right. What did you guys?
Put your bullpen in there.
Matt, aren't you gonna grab that bucket over there? What's wrong?
What do you got?
Well, to be honest, she didn't really
Just do it. One more look.
No, because then it takes twice as long. All right, buddy, pour yours in.
Do we have a bag?
Everybody, I have 3. Everybody, look at me. Matt, look at me. Finally, Sarah looked.
Can I?
Now, I have a bag for each of you. Oh boy. Oh, I saw a rock, Matt. You got something in there.
I know.
Oh, look at this.
Fool's gold. Yeah.
No, thank you.
Gross. I have one right here.
Where do I put them in that bag?
Here, honey, I have a bag for you.
Oh, where do we put them?
Here.
Is it in this bag?
Sure.
This one's clear.
You can make earrings, Jules. Okay, did you guys find one?
This one is my bed. It's very heavy.
It's very heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. That looks like a perfect pumpkin.
I know. This side I'm gonna fire because this side is like dirty.
Okay. Well, yeah, you can take cloth and mop that off. That didn't take you very long. I know, I need a bigger cart for your pumpkin.
all the way back, and I was just like,
Look
yeah,
it, I'm gonna need a bigger cart for your pumpkin. Let's see which one Sarah's picking. And where's Matt? Oh, he's down here too. I'm just leaving the cart there. What'd you find?
This looks like a little ball. Sarah, this looks like a little ball.
yeah, come see my pumpkin.
She picked like a ginormous pumpkin. Matt, did you find one yet?
I'm looking for a perfectly shaped one.
Oh, Julia got a pretty good one. I don't know if you'll be able to find a perfectly shaped one. What about this one? Oh no, he's got splotches.
Please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride. Enjoy the ride, kids.
I think we're just getting a 3 for you guys.
She found a good one.
Yeah.
Now you gotta help Matt find his.
Where is he?
Oh, did she find one?
Have you seen mine?
Is that the one you want? No? Oh. Alright.
I want a perfect round one, but a little small.
Yeah, I think we should go over here.
Honey, there's lots of choices, so. You want a perfectly round one? Okay. Oh, Lord. Sometimes too much is worse. What is there, honey?
Wait. Right there. Let's go behind you.
All right, we'll come back when we have found the right pumpkins.
Alright, I just sent it to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you should look into it.
Hey, I think you might have found one. Yeah, thank you. I'll check it out because.
What?
All right, I want to see which. I want to see what. Okay, then just pull that down a little bit.
This?
Yep, pull it down a little bit. What is that one?
The top one is Matt's.
That is a weird looking pump. I thought you were looking for a perfectly round one.
This is Matt. This is Sarah.
That is like a perfectly round one, isn't it? Oh, that's an interesting one.
Cool shoes, Sarah.
I like your pumpkin, bud.
No, Mom and Dad should carve one together.
I don't like carving.
I don't either.
I
Just like the pumpkin seeds.
I know.
Yeah.
I like the seeds
When are
and
you guys doing this?
we have one at home. We'll carve that one. Mom and Dad will carve that one.
That's my one too.
Oh, God.
Oh.
This is how well she shares. Even with her mom and dad who are about to buy her a brand new pumpkin too. This is how well she shares.
This week?
No, he's got a hole of the roundness. Oh, careful, bud.
Alright, you guys, we are back from the pumpkin patch. I'm going to put this video together and we will get it out there. So, I think the next time you will see us, hopefully Matt will have a deer. Yep. It is the Minnesota Youth Hunt coming up. And early for youth, 13 to 17, I believe. Something like that. Anyway, we're going to go see if we can get him a deer. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Whatever the girls tell you to. I don't know why I say that all the time. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. So, see you next time. Bye.